Today I want to show you a free app to find good techno ideas and also connect it with Ableton if you want. And I just want to explain the basics of this app. So here I have this beat. And in every project you have three parts, like the drums, bass and lead. And you can also mute every part and make it louder or quieter. Pump here is for sidechain, so when I change this, you have more or less sidechain. And as you can see, I already played a little bit with the functions of the lead. For every part you have this field here, so you can play it. And in the bass and the lead part, this is like a keyboard, but as a pentatonic. If you change the steps to 7, then you have an actual scale, and if you have less than 7 steps, it's more like a pentatonic or even less, but it's always in the key you decide. So for example, D minor, 140 BPM, and if you want you can make a little bit shuffle. Also the arpeggiator function is important because you can just press a step if you want. And if you use more than one finger, then you can make this, for example. And I did this with the lead sound. The rhythm is a Euclidean rhythm, so if you already noticed, you can change the steps here, and the algorithm tries to have equal division of the rhythm in 16th notes, but it's not always possible. So when you have 9, you have sometimes longer notes and also 2 short notes. But because it's the Euclidean algorithm, you have always a good sounding pattern. And I have the same principle in my Eurorack. I have the Euclidean circles module, and it does exactly the same. Nice. You have the pattern and the tweaks function, and you can also automate the tweaks. So maybe with the bass. if you want more than 1 or 2 bars, you can also change it to 4 or 8 bars. If you want to change the sound, then just search for another preset. Very nice. Yeah, I use the app when I'm not at home, for example on the train, so it's very easy to make a track on it. You can also name the song if you want, and search for a photo, so select a photo, I mean. Yeah, maybe this one, and figure the name of the app. And you can connect it with Ableton, and that's the very cool thing. So if you press on sync, then you can enable Ableton link. And if you enable it and go to your Ableton, then this link knob should appear. And if you also press link on Ableton, then Ableton is in sync with the app. You can also use it on your iPad, so then you have a bigger screen and you can switch the screen, and then you have more space for the rhythm you want to play. Okay, thank you for your interest, and if you have any question, then write me a comment, and see you in the next video.